Hey guys, I created that 4-color memory game called Simon in MockMechanics without writing any code. The game presents you with a pattern of random lights and you have to repeat it. First one, then two, then three, and so on, always adding one more color to remember. To represent the sequence of lights, I'm recording the choices physically with this moving strip of probes. I adapted the idea from the music player, where I record notes that way. These rows of colored probes are a set of detectors. The red probe on the first row is connected through this motherboard to the red lamp and the first speaker. And the same is true for the other colors. The second row of colored probes is used to detect the next color in the pattern. If we press the button and the corresponding probe is active, then we activate this chip, which moves the strip forward 1 unit. If the next color is incorrect, that is, the probe is not active, then we activate this chip instead, which resets the game. To play the game, we also need to be shown a sequence of colors automatically to memorize. This player circuit advances the strip until it reaches this stop probe, which it automatically moves, so next time it shows one more light. This is done with the standard loop technique I've shown you before. This chip moves the memory stick 1 unit, the gray graph, and it also moves the probe away and then back, the yellow graph. So at the end, the probe turns 1 again, because it's 1 when it's near the other probe, 0 when it's away. The probe being 1 again triggers the motherboard, which activates the chip, which restarts the cycle. But we also want to stop the loop if the memory stick reaches this probe. We can do that with AND and OR gates. Now we only need to alternate between being shown a sequence of lights and being given time to enter the sequence ourselves. When we reach the end, the game is automatically reset by this motherboard, but we want the player to start only if we reach the end by pressing a button. This circuit, when activated, moves these two probes apart for a while. So if we activate it with each button press, it becomes a detector for recent button presses. So when we reach the end and the game is reset, if it was because we pressed a button, this probe will be 0 and the player is started. When it reaches the end because of the player, it will be reset, but the probe will be 1, so the player won't start again, giving us a chance to try to repeat the light pattern. And there you have it, the full game without writing a single line of code. You can download MockMechanics and try to build something yourself. Thanks for watching. I know it's been a while. I've been working on the code, but I'll try to release machine videos more frequently, so stay tuned for the next one.